Managing the ADDS environment is one of the most common tasks an IT professional performs. You typically manage your domain controllers remotely, although you can sign into the computer either directly or by using Remote Desktop. The primary tool you will use is the Active Directory Administrative Center. Active Directory Administrative Center. The Active Directory Administrative Center provides a graphical user interface, GUI, that is Windows PowerShell-based. This enhanced interface allows you to perform ADDS object management by using task-oriented navigation, and it replaces the functionality of Active Directory users and computers. Tasks that you can perform by using the Active Directory Administrative Center include creating and managing user, computer, and group accounts and OUs. For this, I'll either right-click in the left pane the domain's name and click New and select the object I need to create, select, or click New button in the Tasks pane. Here I've got the same set of objects I can create. Creating and managing OUs. Connecting to and managing multiple domains within a single instance of the Active Directory Administrative Center. Searching and filtering ADDS data by building queries. Creating and managing fine-grained password policies. Recovering objects from the Active Directory recycle bin. Managing objects that the Dynamic Access Control feature requires. You can install the Active Directory Administrative Center only on servers running Windows Server 2008 or 2 or later, or on client computers running Windows 7 or later. Other management tools that you will use to perform ADDS administration include Active Directory users and computers. You open it in Server Manager, Tools, Active Directory users and computers. It is a Microsoft Management Console, MMC, snap-in that manages most common resources, including users, groups, and computers. Although many administrators are familiar with this snap-in, the Active Directory Administrative Center replaces it and provides more capabilities. Active Directory Sites and Services. The Active Directory Sites and Services MMC snap-in manages replication, network topology, and related services. Active Directory Domains and Trusts. The Active Directory Domains and Trusts MMC snap-in configures and maintains trust relationships at the domain and forest functional levels. The Active Directory Schema snap-in. The Active Directory Schema MMC snap-in examines and modifies the definitions of ADDS attributes and object classes. You typically do not view or change it very often. Therefore, by default, the Active Directory Schema snap-in is not fully installed. The Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell. The Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell supports ADDS administration, and it is one of the most important management components. Server Manager and the Active Directory Administration Center are Windows PowerShell based and use Kumblets to perform their tasks.